If you want to know how to get free and unlimited Gemini Pro tests, subscribe, like, and watch this video.
What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, let's have a real talk about the AI revolution that's happening right under our feet. Every single week, there's a new headline about an AI model that is changing the game. Right now, the top of that mountain is Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro. This isn't just a chatbot. It's a reasoning engine. It can analyze massive documents, write complex code, strategize like a business consultant, and generate creative ideas that are genuinely impressive. It's a kind of tool that gives you a serious edge. But, as always, when you try to access that raw power, you hit the wall. The Upgrade to Pro button, the subscription page. The best tools are always locked away. Until now. Today, we're not just peeking over that wall, we're going to tear it down completely. I am going to walk you through a step-by-step, fully verified method to get complete and unlimited access to Gemini Pro for free. I'm talking about using Google's most advanced AI, Gemini 2.5 Pro, without ever having to pull out a credit card. And if you stick with me through this entire guide, I'll reveal the simple loop that makes this method truly unlimited, so you can refresh your access whenever you want, as many times as you want. Before we jump in, just one quick thing. It takes a massive amount of time and research to find and test these loopholes to make sure I'm bringing you something that actually works and won't waste your time. If you appreciate that, the best way you can say thanks is completely free. Just take a second to hit that like button, and if you're not already, subscribe to the channel. Honestly, ring that notification bell too, because you won't want to miss the next guide I drop. All right, let's get to that access. First things first, and this is a pro tip for a lot of tech rollouts. Location matters. I found this method works most reliably when your connection appears to be from the United States. For that, I always use a VPN. Personally, I use NordVPN because it's fast and just works. You can definitely try this without a VPN first, but if you hit a wall, this is almost always the fix. I've put a special link in the description and the pinned comment that gets you a huge 70% discount on NordVPN if you need it. Okay, setup is done. Now click the first link in the description below. It will take you to the Google Cloud Skills Boost platform. All you need to do here is scroll all the way down and hit the Get Started button. It will ask you to sign in with your regular Google account, which is fine, it's just for the platform itself. Once you're in, click on Explore Catalog. In the search bar, you're going to type Generative AI. The one we're looking for is a 45-minute lab called Generative AI with Vertex AI. This is our entry point. Click on it. You'll see a big green Start Lab button. Click it. It will pop up a CAPTCHA to make sure you're a real person. Go ahead and solve that. Now, right after you solve it, you might be placed in a short queue. Don't panic. This is a normal part of the process. It'll say something like reserving resources. For me, it usually takes about 2 or 3 minutes. Just be patient, let it do its thing. Once the queue is clear, a 45-minute timer will appear on the left side of your screen. That's our green light. Our private, temporary session is now active. And here comes the most important step in this entire guide. Pay close attention. You'll see a button that says Open Google Cloud Console. Do not just click it. You have to right-click on that button and select Open Link in Incognito window. This is the secret sauce. It creates a completely clean session, a ghost in the machine that's separate from your personal Google account. In that new black incognito window, click I understand and agree to the terms of service. Perfect. The environment is live. Now, stay in that incognito window, open a brand new tab, and go to the main Gemini website, gemini.google.com. This is the moment of truth. Gemini will ask you to sign in. You will see your personal Google account as an option. Ignore it. You will see a new, strange-looking account that starts with Student Dash. That is the temporary Pro account that the lab just created for us. That is the one you need to click. And just like that, take a look. Welcome to Gemini Pro. You can see the Pro badge right there. You are in with full access to Google's best models. So what can we actually do with this? Let's push it. As you can see on screen, having Pro access means we have the keys to the entire creative suite. We can now have complex conversations and get analysis from Google's most intelligent language model to date, Gemini 2.5 Pro. For faster, more creative tasks, we can switch over to the incredibly quick Gemini 2.5 Flash. But it's not just about chatting. We can have it perform deep research, connecting to the web and analyzing information to give us insights that would normally take hours of work. As you're seeing now, we also unlock high-quality image generation, allowing us to create any visual we can imagine directly within the interface. And of course, the big one, we get access and credits for VEO, Google's incredible AI video generator. We can bring ideas to life with cinematic video clips just like the ones you're seeing on screen.
So I told the doctor, at my age, I don't buy green bananas.
That's a good one.
This is the power you now have. An analyst, a copywriter, and a video producer, all in one. But what happens when that 45-minute timer runs out? Or you use up your video credits for the session? This is the final secret. This is how we make it unlimited. Watch closely. You close every single incognito tab, just shut them all down, then go back to that original lab page, the one with the timer. Click the red End Lab button and confirm it. The session is terminated. It's over. But then, look, the Start Lab button is active again. You just click it, solve a new CAPTCHA, wait in the queue for a couple of minutes, and the system generates a brand new, completely fresh student ID with a full new set of Gemini Pro access. You just repeat the quick process, open the console and incognito, go to Gemini, sign in with the new ID, and you are back in business with a clean slate. You can do this loop forever. And there you have it. Not a theory, not a gimmick, but a complete, verified, step-by-step method for getting unlimited access to one of the most powerful creative and analytical tools on the planet right now. I genuinely hope this helps you create amazing things. If it worked for you, please drop a comment below and let me know. If this video provided you real value and unlocked something new for you, you know what to do. The biggest thank you you can give me is to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's the best way to support what I do and ensures I can keep bringing you guides like this. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.
So I told the doctor, at my age, I don't buy green bananas.
That's a good one.
Subscribe to Malva.
If you are still here and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do it now.